everybody, it's Michelle, and you may have seen my video for the Easter Bunny table setting, and I mentioned in that video that that wasn't my original idea for a critter plate, but I had to get that one out to you before Easter. So now I wanted to get started on my original ideas for the critter plates, and the first idea that I had was for a pig. So you might guess we're going to be using pink paper plates. Now these are just the cheap ones from Dollar Tree, and you can take the really inexpensive plates and make something really, really cute. So when I had the idea for the pig, my main idea was to give it a snout. And I found these silicone cupcake liners. And I got these in a rainbow of colors, and I'll leave a link down below for you guys to where I got these from. And I'm just using a pink one here. I tried several different options of things to put on here for a snout, and this I think works out the best of everything I tried. And there were multiple pink ones in there, so you can use this for multiple place settings if you're having a party. But before we're done, pigs are not going to be the only thing. You're going to want the whole barnyard of farm animals. I've got several coming up for you guys, and I think you're really going to like them. So you can get these plates, like I said, at Dollar Tree, at Walmart, just about anywhere, and they're like $1 a pack, so really affordable. Walmart is also where I got the spoons, and we're going to use those for our piggy's ears. Now these are different than the ones I used on my Easter Bunny. These here are the ones I used on my Easter Bunny. They're a little lighter and they're more elongated. So these are sort of short and wide, and I thought that made much better pig ears than the long, narrow ones. And they match my plate much better too. So I'm just kind of laying everything on top of this lower plate. That way it's sort of like this short, fat pig, and I think that's really cute. So just arrange those ears wherever you think looks right for a pig's ears. Little short ones I think works best. So on the snout, I wanted some nostrils. I really want to make this look cartoonish and childlike. So I've just got a little scrap of black cardstock and my oval shaped punch. And this is the one, I think it's 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch, I'm not sure. But I'll find the link to this and include it for you guys as well. And I just punched 2 of those out. And I'm going to put a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of those and stick it right to that. And if you want to, you can put some little treats under there. You guys know that I like putting treats on my plates for kids' parties and things like that. It makes it a lot of fun. So I'm just going to use my reverse tweezers here to get that backing off, and that makes it easier to hold so I can get those on there. And if you don't have an oval punch, you can just draw these on with a marker or whatever you want to do. To make it all more easy cleanup and disposable, you could just use paper cupcake liners here if you wanted to. So that's looking like a pig already. And I'm going to take a little bit of curling ribbon, just about a 6-inch piece or so, and cut that off. And I'm just going to use the blunt side of my scissors here to pull and just curl that up. And that's going to be our curly pigtail. Pull through so that those curls aren't quite as tight. And just another little piece of double-sided tape. And I'm just going to stick that to the side of the plate there. It's just his little pigtail sticking out the side. And for his hooves, I'm going to use 2 black spoons. And I'm just going to put those right up under our bottom plate. as far as they'll go up under, so just part of them shows. And now all he needs is some eyes. You really could leave it just like that if you wanted to. Just a few implied features, the ones that are the most distinct features that represent that, are really all you need. Just like you saw in my bunny plate video, even without the face, I showed a picture toward the end with no candy facial features, and it was really cute. I may have liked it better in the end than the one with all the candy on. But we're going to put some candy eyes on our little pig. Just do it either way you want, with or without. It's going to work just fine. And that'll also be a little treat for the kids at the party. So that's all there is to our little piggy plate. I think he's adorable. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Stay tuned. I'm going to have more farm animals coming up in this series of critter plates, and then even after the farm animals, I've got a few more critter ideas, and I can't wait to share them with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.